The upper extremity is a marvelous series of actions and reactions. We maintained the carpal tunnel down here with the wrist. We stabilized the carpal metacarpal joint and the thumb joints. We stabilized all of the bones of the wrist and hand. His bones aren't shifting around, creating pain and impingement upon the median nerve. It's a great way to go. Now I want to show you a nifty little device that really helps stabilize the muscles from the elbow down to the wrist. This is known as a Dynaflex. Some of them are called Theraflex or Dynabees or Therabees. Any number of those names can apply to this particular type of gyroscope. If we start it, we start with our hand above the gyroscope and strike it with the fleshy part of our hand in this position. Then we turn it. While it's going slow, we want to move our wrist slow in a circumduction motion. That's actually making all of the muscles around the forearm work, which is bringing up to speed. It's a diagnostic as well as therapeutic device. Why is it diagnostic? Because as you do this, the muscles that get tight and sore are the weaker muscles. So you're going to get a burn and you're going to notice where that is in your forearm. And it's exercising that muscle at the same time. The faster it goes, the smaller the circle. So that you strengthen those muscles. And you can hear the wind-up of the RPMs of the gyroscope. Now, it's not just doing it in that position. It's also doing it in flexion or extension, or radial deviation, which is toward me, toward the radius, or toward the ulnar deviation. Or we can do it in rotation. All of those motions help stabilize the muscles from the elbow to the wrist. You can really get it going. As you get tired, you can switch hands and really get the RPMs up and make it go really fast. Of course, it's always interesting to hand it to your friend. Put it in their hand. Just don't touch the ball on the bottom and see if they can keep it going. Part of the fun is making a game out of it. Don't let it die. When I'm in the classroom situation, I hand it around and the classroom's going, and the person that lets it die, everybody is pretty excited about it. So it's a fun way to go. And this concludes a section on the wrist and hand. I hope that you've learned how to stabilize the wrist and hand with both taping and exercises and fun devices such as the Theraflex.